Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel Chikuland. Today, I've got something truly incredible to share with you, a moment I was lucky enough to capture right out in nature. Get ready to witness a fascinating drama from the insect world. So, I was just walking along when I noticed this little creature. It's known in English as a spider wasp. It was dragging a huge dead spider across the ground. I immediately grabbed my camera because, honestly, I thought I was about to see it have a big meal. You know, nature's food chain in action. But what happened next completely blew my mind. Instead of eating the spider, the wasp started to dig. It was amazing to watch. With incredible precision, it excavated a small pit right there in the soil. I kept the camera rolling, wondering what its plan was. Once the hole was deep enough, the wasp pulled the spider inside. It was a perfect fit. I was absolutely captivated. Then came the final act of this incredible display. The wasp began to carefully bury the spider, pushing soil back into the pit and covering it up completely. It was so meticulous, making sure its precious cargo was hidden from sight. I did a little research afterward and learned what was really going on. The spider isn't food for the wasp itself. It's actually a living pantry for its future offspring. The wasp lays an egg on the spider, and when the larva hatches, it has a fresh source of food waiting for it. Seeing this instinct play out was a powerful reminder of how intelligent and organized the insect world can be. The sheer dedication and precision were just breathtaking. This isn't just a random act. It's a carefully executed survival strategy that has been perfected over thousands of years. From the initial hunt and capture to the dragging, the digging, the burying, and finally, the careful covering of the soil, every single step is part of an ancient, brilliant plan. If you love nature, insects, wildlife mysteries, or those rare, up-close macro moments, then you're going to love watching this entire process unfold. The full footage shows everything from start to finish, and it's a side of nature you don't get to see every day. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button. Share it with a friend who loves nature. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life nature videos just like this one. See you in the next one.